Hello, future engineers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're still new to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to share my videos to your friends and to your friends' friends, to your younger brothers and sisters who would want to take up engineering in the future, and to your relatives. That's one way you can keep me going, inspired, and refreshed. Now, if you find my videos interesting and important to your studies, also please don't forget to subscribe. Hello, future engineers and subscribers. There is a problem, the first problem in calculus that I have uploaded in YouTube. The graph of a function f is given. State the value of f of -1. Estimate the value of f of 2, function value when x is 2. For what values of x is f of x equal to 2? Estimate the values of x such that f of x is 0. State the domain and range of f, and on what interval is f increasing. So if you have an idea on how to answer this problem, then you may pause the video and answer the problem here, the questions here, and that should be the thing that you should do. You always anticipate the solution to the problem. Do not just rely on watching videos. But for those who are starters, then you may listen to the explanation and the discussions here. For the first question, state the value of f of -1 when x is -1. Remember, look at this. This is the y-axis, and x is -1 is here, and this is the value of f of -1, which is y is -1, -2. So f of -1 is -2 here. The function value when x is -1 is -2, and that's the answer. Then estimate the value of f of 2 when x is 2. Then let's estimate the value of y here. This is 1, 2, so 2.8 in my estimate. You may have a different estimate, but it should be close to 2.8. So f of 2 is 2.8. Then for what values of x is f of x equal to 2? So 2, this is the line, the function f of x equals 2. And there are two values of x for which f of x is 2. One is here, so -1, -2, -3. So x is -3, and the other value of x where f of x is 2 is here, and it is x is 1. So f of x is, or x is -3 and x is +1. Those are the values for which f of x is 2. For the next question, letter D, estimate the values of x such that f of x is 0. So intersection of the graph of the function with the x-axis. So let's estimate that value of x there where f of x is 0 and here. So in this value, it is about -1, -2, -2.5, or you may have -2.55 if you want, but let's just make it -2.5, and the value of x here for which f of x is 0 is about +0.3. Those are my estimates, but if your estimate is -2.55, then that can still be acceptable, but here it should be zero point 0.3. X is 0.3, so x is -2.5 and x is 0.3. Then state the domain and range of f. The domain of f is the set of admissible values of x, or the independent variable for which the function is defined. And it is defined from this point up to that point. So this is x is -3, and this is x is +3. 1, 2, 3. So it is, the domain is the closed interval -3 to +3, while the range is the corresponding range or value of y from lowest to highest. So the lowest value of y is here, -2, and the highest value of y is 1, +1, +2, +3. So the lowest value is -2. The maximum value or the highest value is 3. So the range of f is -2 to 3, close interval -2 to 3, while the domain is the close interval -3 to +3. So domain, close interval -3 to +3, and the range is the close interval -2, the lowest, and the highest is +3. So range is -2 to +3. Then f on what interval is f increasing? So the function is increasing from here, from the lowest point up to that highest point. So it is the close interval. This is -1, x is -1 to x is +3. So it is the close interval -1 to +3. That's the interval for which f is increasing. So that's all for this problem. I hope that those who attempted to solve this problem have the same answers as presented here. Then let's proceed to the second one. The graphs of functions f and g are given. State the values of f of -4 and g of 3. For what values of x is f of x equal to g of x? Estimate the solution of the equation f of x equals -1. Then on what interval is f decreasing? State the domain and range of f. State the domain and range of g. So here is the given graph. Graph of f, which is the orange one, and the graph of g, which is the dark green one, or somewhat light green. So for the first question, f of -4, so this is the y-axis, -1, -2, -3, -4. So the value of the function here when x is -4 is -1, -2. So f of -4 is -2, while g of +3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 is 3. So f of -4 is -2, and g of +3 is, sorry, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. G of +3 is 4. So f of -4 is -2, while g of 3 is +4. Then for part B, for what values of x is f of x equal to g of x? Those are the values of x for which the two functions, the graphs of the two functions intersect. And it is here and here. The value of x here is -2, and the value of x here is +2. So for B, x is -2 and x is +2. Estimate the solution of the equation f of x is -1. So when f of x is -1, we have here the intersection of the graph of f with this y -1. That's about -1, -2, -2.9 in my estimate, and the other value is, of course, x is 1, 2, 3, 4. X is 4. So x is -2.9 and x is +4. On what interval is f decreasing? F is decreasing from here. This is the highest point, then here. So it is in the intervals, close interval 0 to 4. So 0 to 4. Then state the domain and range of f. The domain of f is the set of admissible values of f, and it is defined from here up to here. So the domain of f is from -4 to +4, close interval -4 to +4, while the range of f is the lowest value, which is -2, to the highest value, which is +3. So domain, -4 to +4, domain of f, close interval -4 to +4, while the range is -2 to close interval -2 to +3. Then for the domain and range of G, it is defined from this leftmost point to that rightmost point, and this is x is -4, and this is x is +3. So the domain of G is -4 to +3, close interval -4 to +3, while the range is from this lowest value to that highest value. So the lowest value is about 0.5 above the x-axis to 0.5, and the highest value is 4. So the range of G is close interval 0.5 to 4 to 4. So that's it for this problem. I hope that you're able to understand, and those who have attended the solutions to this problem have the same estimates and answers as the one I'm presenting here.